guys, welcome back. I am so happy. So happy. I'm telling you. That gave me 20 views on the video that I posted earlier this day. Thank you for that. Very happy. And I told you that I was going to show you some of my fidgets. Which I'm going to stop. Stop. Okay. There we go. Which I have right here. My fidgets. So we're gonna start this bucket. I don't know some of the names of the fidgets. Just know that I own them. Okay. So here we got monkey noodles. Monkey noodles right here. Monkey noodles everywhere. Okay, so we got some monkey noodles. Monkey noodles right here. And I washed them, which they're getting really sticky. That's how I like them to stick them in the wall. And then we got mochis. See? Right here. We'll have a dry throat, but I need to drink some water. I lost my mochi for a second. So I got these mochis. Very beautiful. Mochis. We got some marble mash. We got these two, and we got fidget spinners. I think I have one in here. Yes, we do. This one doesn't spin a lot because accident filling with the fidget when I'm washing. Now, what's in this book bag? This book bag has the best fidgets. Please smash the like button. If you see this, please smash the like button because I'm trying to get the same number of likes as the views. And if you want to do it, smash the freaking subscribe button. Smash the subscribe button if you want to do it. But can you please like, because that's what I also need to improve. Just need some likes. So please like it up, please. I'm telling you, please. Just please. I was just listening to, Hit Different. It was beautiful. I loved it. So now, let's get into it. I'm not gonna play this song because they're gonna demonetize me, like I said in the last video. But thank you for the 33 views on the first video I posted. And yes, I am really happy about the views, but now I want to achieve the likes. Oh, and what I'll be doing next after I'm done showing my fidgets, if you give me, let's say, 40 views on this video with 40 likes, I will be doing this doll's hair, and I will be taking you with me to go shopping, buy some stuff. And I also will be giving away some fidgets. I'm doing a giveaway, to be honest. I'll tag my Instagram down below, but can you please you have to like all my videos, share it, and subscribe, and turn on the post notifications if you want a gift bag of fidgets. It's gonna bring chocolate in it because I know everybody loves chocolate, not everybody. So let's get into it. Now we got Rubik's cubes here, which I love. I love Rubik's cubes. It calms out my nerves. And we got this thing. Love it so much. I'll be giving away this with one of the Rubik's cubes. So yeah, that maybe if I buy another Pop-It, I'll give that away too. So here we got a squish ball. I don't know what it's called, but they are very satisfying. It's hard though, but it's very satisfying. I love it. We got the squish ball too, the DNA ball, whatever. We got the snake, which I love. I'm also going to be giving away a wacky track because I got 3 of them. Here they are. Wacky tracks. I'll be giving away one of these. So here. Go. So now we got wacky tracks, which is my favorite. And we're gonna rate them in the end of the videos. So we're just gonna show you. And we got these puzzle thingies. I got a lot of these. Here, these puzzle thingies. We got this DNA ball. As you can see. When I go shopping, I'm gonna show you tomorrow when I'm going shopping. I'm gonna show you tomorrow. I'm going to show you tomorrow. You see how I got frozen and all that. Tomorrow, I'm gonna show you outside and what we're gonna do outside. You know, stuff like that. And I have the whole day planned out. I'm also going to be giving away a bike thingy, bike chain. Last thing is something I love. Something you hear. A profit. Let me tell you what I don't like about it. Y'all see how it's big on cameras and stuff like that? It's small. Look, move it. It's just small, okay? It's small. It's really small, but I love it. I rate this a 10, because look, you hear it look, right? And I'll also be putting on my TikTok for you to go like my videos too. And follow me. So you could DM me. I could DM the winner, or I could just say the winner on here, and you'll just send me your address, well, whatever, and then I'll send you the package. And I promise you this is not a scam or nothing. I'm gonna do it. All you need to do is what I told you. Subscribe, turn on the notifications, like all my videos, and give me share, share it, and there, you're done. You have to comment on my second video that I did this earlier, and you have to say I did it, or this video I did it. Say I did it, and that's when I know you did it. And then I will pack up the giveaway. The next giveaway will be a slime kit. Slime kit. Hey, probably like, how? So I just buy it for you. No, I don't have a lot of money, but I could just buy it for you. That's what I mean. I want you to subscribe to my channel if I could do that. Do all of it. So here, let's set up the package to the side. And there. The package. Promise you, I'm gonna pack this up. I hope we didn't deliver it to you. Oh, here, cute. These puzzle thingies. So there you go. Package is set. So please, 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 please leave a like. And if you don't, then can't give you the package if you can't like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Okay. So you have to give me 40 views to do this doll's head. You will see. If you want me to do her makeup with her hair that day too, give me, I don't know, give me 40, 50 views and likes. They have to be the same, 50 likes or 5 likes, because that's the highest I could go probably, because y'all don't like my videos. But if you give me 5 likes or more, I'll do this. I'll do this. I promise you, I'll do this. Please, I'll do this. And please do that. And I was supposed to show you my lipsticks. Should I do it? Should I do it? Should I do it? We're gonna do it, okay? We're gonna do it. Okay. I'm just gonna get it, okay? I'm just gonna get it right now. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, got it. I got this cute bag. That's why. That's why. That's why. A lipstick will be coming with this product. I'll buy some more lipsticks because they're just $1. This one that people is probably gonna fall in love with. It's $3, and I got y'all. I got y'all anything, to be honest. They got these 2 colors, and it's very cute. They got coated carrots in there. Coated carrots. 2 24K golden. 24K golden. Also got more, and more. I got a lot of lipsticks. Very beautiful. But can you please do that for me? And once I make money off of YouTube, I'm gonna start putting iPhones as a giveaway, computers as giveaways. Maybe one day Xbox as giveaways, PlayStations as giveaways. You never know. Please smash the like button if you want me to do this, particularly do this. Please smash that like button and give me 50 views for this doll and 5 likes. That's all I'm asking. And if you want to smash the like, if you want to smash the subscribe button, you can. I'm not telling you do it. You can if you want to. So please do that for me. And have a nice day. And don't be scared to spread out your feelings to everybody, because you know people need to hear your story as well and hear everything you have to say. Okay, don't be scared to spread out the words. And
oh, you do it. You crazy.
Oh
my God.
well, that was my mother. Sorry about that, guys. I'm still gonna post this though. Please, I'll introduce you to my mom next time. I'll introduce you to my mom. And yeah, promise you, please do that for me. And I'm pretty sure I will give this away. I promise. Just please do what I told you like 2 minutes ago. Please. Oh, and maybe if I give you some lipsticks, I can also buy you a bag like this. Exactly like this. Not the color, probably. They have this color. But I'll buy you a bag just like this. Just like this for the boys. If y'all are watching this for the boys, I gotcha. Alright. So now we just say goodbye, and please smash that like button. Bye. Have a beautiful day and have a good night, because you know sleep at this time. Have a good night. And for Ashley, that's my friend's name. shout out to you because you were the first person to subscribe to me. And yeah, thank you, Ashley. Have a nice day to everybody. I hope the luck for you all. If y'all see my LED lights blinking like that, they going crazy. So, as you can see, because they're light, you know how I'm blocking the light. Let's go. Oh. Oh. Ah. Eee. Ah. Oh, I wasn't supposed to do that. But everybody know that TikTok song. That's the best TikTok song. Not the best, but like, you know, I like it. Well, bye guys. Have a nice day. And please do that. What I said. Have a beautiful day, guys. Bye. Bye.